May the Valkyries welcome you and lead you through Odin's great battlefield. May they sing your name with love and fury, so that we might hear it rise from the depths of Valhalla and know that you've taken your rightful place at the table of kings.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm not the chief that you wanted me to be. I'm not the peacekeeper I thought I was. I don't know.
Hiccup!
Son! Dad! No.
I was so afraid of becoming my dad. Mostly because I thought I never could. How do you become someone that great, that brave, that selfless? I guess you can only try.
Came early into this world. I feared you wouldn't make it. But your father, he never doubted. He always said you'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right.
For a great man has fallen. A warrior. A chieftain. A father. A friend.
How rare and beautiful it truly